Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That's the 1st of December 2020 at 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. There is a bundle available as well, which is all of the stamp sets plus free gifts and a discount off of the price. That is only available to purchase directly from Clearly Besotted. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and also the samples that I have made as a design team member. So first of all, this is the Year of You stamp set. Such a wonderful set filled with lots of different critters representing the Chinese New Year. So you've got things like the dragon, the pig, the monkey, the snake, the rooster, you know, all of the different critters there. You've got extra accompanying images like lanterns and little things that you can make scenes with. You've got lots of different sentiments in the set as well. Happy New Year, you're great, this is your year, hugs. So you can send lots of cards to kind of like as encouragement, like this is your year, and you could have like the particular animal that represents their year, which is really nice. And then you've got all of the names of the different critters there as well. So I think this set could be used kind of like all year round. Obviously really good for New Year cards, but you can definitely use the critters just on their own as kind of critters if you wanted to. And that's what I did for my projects. I created some tags and I just basically made the animals into little Christmas critters instead. So what I did was I stamped out the hats. That's from the next set that I'm going to share with you. Masked that off and then stamped the critters underneath. I used the little pig here and the monkey for my little critters because I just thought they were adorable. And so it looked like they're wearing the Christmas hats. I added some holly here and that's from the Present a Plushie set. The sentiments are from the Tiny Type set, and the tags themselves are from the Clearly Besotted tag-along collection, and then I just added an extra die cut heart on top. The papers are from MFT. I really love the colour combination. It's a bit unlike me, but I really enjoyed creating these tags and just did basically the same design but the kind of opposite sides. I thought they turned out really cute. And this is the set that I got the hat from. This is the Dog Year set, and that's that little hat there at the bottom. Works perfectly to add on to all of these little dogs here, but it works really well with lots of other critters as well. There's again lots of other accompanying images like the little bone here, the bow, the cake and the pumpkin, and like I said, lots of different kinds of dogs here as well. You can obviously use these all year round, and the sentiments kind of represent that you can use these all year round as well. So you've got happy birthday, New Year, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Halloween, holidays, you are the best, yap, best friend, woof, exo, hi, and to my. So you can kind of mix and match all of the different sentiments. I didn't get a chance to use this set this month apart from the little hat, but hopefully I will soon. Next up is the Snow Day play. This is an absolutely adorable set. It's fairly similar to, or in concept anyway, to the Simon Says Stamp Stamp-Tember set that sold out really quickly. So if you didn't manage to get hold of that, you may want to get hold of this one. Like I said, it's obviously not the same, but it is similar. So you've got the kind of cabin here with the trees and then the hill there that they can be skiing down, or you've got like one on a snowboard here, one on the sled, the skiing ones, the skating ones, one's falling down, which is absolutely adorable. You've got like a sign there and the flags, they can be like slaloming through the flags. Just really cute. Can create some really fun scenes with lots of different of the hippos and everything. I just used the one hippo on my card, but I think it would be really fun to kind of create like a really busy kind of scene as well. Lots of different sentiments in this set. There's Snow Day, This Way, Hi, Yikes, Good Times, Hope you have a wonderful time, enjoy yourself, Happy Days, Skiing by to say hi, Woo, Time, Play, Yippee, XO Owl, have a happy new year party who. So really fun set. I think it could be used for lots of different occasions, and like obviously like high sets in the winter and things like that. You can kind of make it more Christmassy if you wanted to, but I definitely think you could probably use this all year round for people that live in like colder climates and stuff like that as well. So this is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the kind of background piece here, cut that out with a circle, and then fussy cut around that so that I could layer it on top of a background circle. So I did some distress inking in the background, splattered on a load of white gouache to create the snow, coloured in the like the background piece here, and then stuck that on top so that it was all kind of one little scene. Stamped out the cute little hippo skiing down the slope there, coloured him in with Copic markers, fussy cut him out, and then embossed the sentiment there onto black cardstock. I just thought it was a really cute kind of like a hello card for the winter season. Next up is the Howl It's Christmas set, another really fun set. So you've got all of these cute little puppies here in the choir singing along to Christmas carols, but I definitely think you could use this all year round, or maybe more towards winter because they're wearing the kind of hats and scarves and things, but they don't necessarily have to represent that they're Christmas. Like they're just singing puppies, which is really good. But you have got the Christmas tree that they could be with if you wanted to. You've got the stand with the songbook on and the little bone there, absolutely adorable. Lots of musical notes as well that you can kind of stamp around, and the sentiments pretty much do represent Christmas, but like I said, you don't necessarily have to use them if you didn't want to. But there is things like Walkies in a Winter Wonderland, Santa Paws is coming to town, Yappy Howlidays, Bark the Herald Angels Sing, Yappy Christmas to You, Woof Woof, Fa la 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 woof. Just really fun set. And this is the card that I made using that set. I kept it really quite simple. I just did some distress inking in the background and kind of faded it to white so it looked like they were standing on a snowbank. Heat embossed the musical notes sort of around them, stamped out the puppies, coloured them with Copic markers and fussy cut them out, and then stamped the sentiment there and heat embossed that. Next up is the Picture It Stars set. If you haven't already seen the Picture It series, this is a really great series of backgrounds. So you don't really have to do any masking or anything like that. The backgrounds are kind of already done for you. And this is a really fun one with the kind of landscape with the trees and the mountains behind, with the telescope there looking up to the stars in the sky. You can definitely use this again for lots of different occasions, I think, but I have combined it with the next set that I'm going to share with you, and I think it works really well with this set, but you can definitely use it on its own as well. And this is the Seeing Stars set. And these represent all of the different star or the zodiac signs. So you've got lots of different, obviously, star signs here. I'm Gemini with the little cute little cats here. I didn't use that on my card. I used Taurus the bull because I thought it worked better for the scene. But they're just absolutely adorable. I really love how they're kind of drawn, and they're all holding the little symbols of the star signs as well. So the sentiments read, you're my superstar, my star, and then hey, and then you've also got like the kind of element signs. So you've got fire, earth, air and water, and then there's all of the kind of star signs written out as well if you wanted to use them in combination with the images. I think it's really great that you can kind of customize and personalize a card for the recipient. You can use their star sign on it, but I think they just look really cute, kind of like the critters on their own as well. And so this is the card that I made combining both of those sets. I stamped out the background first, coloured that with Copic markers. I tried to do a kind of a bit of a galaxy sort of background. I don't think it worked as well as I'd hoped, but I don't think it's too bad. So, and I added some extra kind of stars with a white gel pen there, stamped out the sentiment from the Seeing Stars set onto a strip, and then had little Taurus the bull sitting on that strip. So it kind of looked like he was a little bit in front of the background there. Stamped him out, coloured him with Copic markers and fussy cut him out as well. And I did add a little bit of shine to the stars, but it is a bit difficult to see here on camera. So that was a look at the December 2020 release from Clearly Besotted. I cannot believe we're already on the last release of the year. This year has just been ridiculous. It's gone really quickly but also really slow at the same time. One of those years. Let's hope next year will be a little bit better for all of us, but I hope you're still staying safe and keeping well, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.